Welcome again. My name is Andrew John and welcome to Play Drums the Easy Way. So we want to remember some of the basic things that we learned, all right, in the other videos. We want to remember our hand exercises, all right, our single stroke roll. Want to remember that because very soon we're going to be looking at rolls and fills, all right, and you find that those hand exercises are going to come in very, very important. And so we want you to at least spend 10 to 15 minutes, a day, just practicing your rudiments. Just practicing over and over and over and over, building your wrist, and just getting used, to your sticks and also to your drum set. All right, and so we wanted to remember. So we looked at those hand exercises, playing with your right and the left hand 4 times each. And we play that over and over and over. And we just looked at the single stroke roll. Right, we want to remember those hand exercises. So we're going to go on to some more rhythms today, or beats, all right, or more steps. And we're going to continue from where we left off. And we're going to be looking at least 3 more rhythms. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first one. The second one was. Third one was. Take it slow. One more time. Get up. Next one now, all right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we're going to go on to the next one, which is okay, so what I want you to know is sometimes you are learning to play drums and I may show you a beat or a rhythm, and sometimes you may play something close to it. So it will be a mistake to what I'm teaching you. But for me, there are no mistakes in really playing drums in terms of, even though the beat might sound different, it's a beat, it's a rhythm, and it can be used in some form of music. All right? And so, as much as I want to encourage you to get your beat as close as possible to mine, all right, or to song identically like what I'm playing, if you make a mistake, I want you to practice that beat also, because that is another rhythm under your hat, okay, that you learn on your own. And I could remember back in the days when, you know, there was no one to actually teach me, and I would look at persons and I would see what they are playing, I would play what they are playing, but then sometimes I'll make a mistake. But then I keep on playing, and never stop. Okay, and I could remember that one of the first songs I actually had to play, all right, was a song that was called Amazing Grace, How Sweet the Sound. And it went like this. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound, that saved someone like me. I was lost, but now I'm found. I was blind, but now I see. So fill it up. All right? That was one of the first beats I had to learn, you know, to play. And so it was a lovely exercise. I was scared, I was frightened, but I nevertheless I delivered. All right, so I just want to encourage you as you go along this journey of learning to play drums. Sometimes it will be difficult. Don't stop. Those new beats that you would learn, which might be a mistake based on what I'm teaching you, but what you are doing, it's a new beat. All right, so keep going, keep going, keep going. So let's end this up. Yeah, thanks for joining. Thanks for joining.